So, are you ready to grow your business, but maybe not so ready to grow your workload? Good, because today we are diving into 12 incredible AI tools that can help you do exactly that. And trust me, this isn't just another list. These are some serious game changers that are completely flipping the script on how businesses operate and grow. Let's jump in. I mean, this quote just hits it right on the head, doesn't it? The whole idea has shifted. It's not about the grind anymore. It's about leveraging smart, intelligent tools to work smarter, not harder. And that is the big idea we're going to be exploring today. So, you might be asking, why these 12? Well, get this. These were handpicked after looking at over 500 different AI tools. This isn't some random list we threw together. It's a really curated selection of the absolute best tools that are being used in real, successful companies right now. Okay, so let's get into it. We're going to start with Act 1, building your AI foundation. These first three tools are all about getting your house in order. They're about creating internal efficiency and a rock-solid base before you even think about hitting that growth button. First up, granola.ai. Oh man, meetings, we all know how they can just completely drain our time and energy, right? Well, Granola is designed to solve that exact problem by totally revolutionizing how you capture and, more importantly, use all that information from your meetings. Now, what makes Granola so different is its privacy-first approach. It's not another bot that joins your call, which is kind of creepy. It just works locally on your machine. And the really cool part, it merges the official transcript with your own personal notes. It basically creates a searchable second brain for all of your conversations. Just think about it. You could ask, hey, show me every single time we talked about pricing last quarter. That's the power we're talking about here. All right, let's move on to tool number 2, NN. This is all about creating these powerful automated workflows. And here's the crucial part. It's about scaling your business operations without having to scale your team. That's the dream, right? Okay, check out this example of its power, a fully automated client onboarding. The moment a client pays, boom, NN can automatically add them to your CRM, shoot out a personalized welcome email, invite them to your Slack group, send smart follow-ups if they haven't filled out a form, and even, get this, generate a custom presentation for their welcome call. All of it 100% automatic. Our third foundational tool is lovable.dev. You know, in today's market, speed is everything. It's a massive competitive advantage. And this tool basically puts your development on hyperdrive. The idea here is so simple, but wow, is it powerful. You just describe what you want in plain English, and lovable.dev generates the code for you. Build me a landing page for plumbers in the Midwest. Done. Want to add Stripes so you can take payments? Just ask. This thing turns your ideas into real, functional apps and web pages in just a fraction of the time. All right, so we've laid our internal foundation with tools for meetings, workflows, and development. That's solid. Now we're moving to Act 2, supercharging your growth engine. These next tools are all about customer acquisition, sales, and getting your message out into the world at a massive scale. Say hello to tool number 4, youratlas.com. This is your tireless AI sales agent. Seriously, it calls leads instantly, qualifies them, and books meetings right on your calendar 24/7. It doesn't take vacations, it never has a bad day, just pure, unadulterated efficiency. You know, this quote is from a real conversation after someone got a demo call. It just shows you how shockingly realistic this AI is. In sales, speed to lead is everything. Having an AI call a prospect just seconds after they fill out a form, that's a proven way to just crush your conversion rates. Next up, we have 11 Labs. This tool lets you create a super high-quality, totally scalable clone of your own voice. And this is an absolute game changer for anyone creating content or wanting to personalize customer experiences. The efficiency you get from this is just incredible. You know when you mess up a line in a video? Now your editor can just type the correction and generate it in your own voice. No more re-recording. You can create tons of different versions of ads or social media content, all narrated by you, without ever stepping in front of a microphone again. So tool number 6, Heijin, takes that idea and goes a step further. This lets you create a full AI video avatar of yourself. For anyone out there who doesn't love being on camera, or you just flat out don't have the time, this removes a huge barrier to creating video content. And the last tool in our Growth Engine Act is one you probably already know, but maybe you're using it in a new way, ChatGPT Voice Mode. I want you to think of this less like a search engine and more like a hands-free strategic partner. Right, exactly. What if? You can literally use this while you're on a walk or a run to talk through really complex business problems. And if you give it a framework like the theory of constraints, it'll start asking you these really challenging questions and guide you toward clear, actionable solutions for your biggest bottlenecks. It's amazing. So, we've supercharged our growth with AI for sales, voice, video, and strategy. Now for our final act, scaling with intelligent operations. You've got a solid foundation and a roaring growth engine. These next tools are going to help you manage and sustain all that momentum. First up is precision.co. This thing connects to all your data sources and gives you AI-driven insights into your key metrics, telling you not just what's happening, but why it's happening. Then there's Fixer.ai. Think of it like an AI chief of staff that just lives in your inbox. It understands your priorities, and it can draft responses or schedule meetings, freeing up hours of your time. And that brings us to Gamma. This slide just captures the power of Gamma perfectly. Instead of those dense wall of text documents that, let's be honest, nobody actually reads, Gamma transforms your strategies into these beautiful, engaging visual presentations. This makes sure your team not only understands the plan, but actually gets excited about it, which is absolutely crucial when you're trying to scale. Our final two tools are all about scaling your knowledge and your communication. BuddyPro.ai creates a company brain. It captures all your unique knowledge and makes it instantly accessible to your team. New hires can get up to speed in days, not weeks. And finally, Vopi. It lets you build custom voice AI applications, tapping into the power of our most natural interface, our voice, for everything from customer support to sales. Okay, I know that was a lot. 12 really powerful tools, and it can definitely feel a bit overwhelming thinking about trying to implement all of them. But here's the thing. That's not the goal. The most important piece of advice is actually the simplest. This right here is the key takeaway. Don't try to boil the ocean. The path to transforming your business isn't about doing everything all at once. It's just about starting. Pick one tool from this list, the one that solves a real nagging pain point for you, and just commit to getting it up and running this week. So I'll leave you with that question. Look back at this list and decide, is it going to be automating your meetings with Granola, or maybe finally building that landing page with Lovable? The future is being built by people who take action, and your first step starts right now.